All right, so question number 5 here. We have this method heading, and we have these other methods that are going to be in the same class, and so which will cause an error? So again, hopefully you had a chance to try this, and the solution here is the signatures can't be exactly the same, right? You can have the same name, get value. In fact, all these have get value. But if you want to do that, you have to make the signature different, and you can do that by changing the number or type of input parameters. So number one won't cause an error because it has a different set of input parameters. It has none, whereas the original one has a single int. Two will cause an error, right? Because the name matches, and again, it has the exact same input of just a single int. All right, versus three won't cause an error because it has a name, but then its input is a different type of double. And again, the whole idea is that if you were to call this method, it'll know which one to call, right? So you can't have two that take in an int, right? Because if you call get value with 7, it won't know what to do, right? But the number 3 is okay because if you called it this way, it's going to do the one that takes in an int. And if you did 7.0, it's going to do the one that takes in a double. Again, so that's called the method signature, and this one would create the error because it's the exact same name with a single int coming in, so that's the problem. So our answer here is letter C. All right, thanks for watching.